So another day, another video for comparison purpose. Now this time is not repairing my clutch system, but repairing the door lock. This one. Okay. Supposed to be inside my door. It is like that. And that one is broken. It is hard to open the door. Previously, I replaced this one. You see, almost it's already 3 times within a year, and it's broken all the time. You see, this is the 3rd time it's broken again, and now I need to replace this again, but to avoid often broken, so I need to replace the lock as well. See the lock? This one, every time I replace it, it costs me 35 bucks to 40 bucks. Okay, just to let you know. And now I need to replace the locker. You know, the front door right side. This one, it cost me 80 bucks US dollar. You see, because of this one is broken, it's very tough to open the door. So every time I need to pull this very hard to open. Pull this one. So pull this one very hard to open the door. And within 1 year, you see, it's broken 3 times. 3 times. So 3 times multiply by 35 or $40. It's almost 100 and something, you see. But now, this time, to avoid future broken again, I replace this one. The locker. See? This one and this one, it will cost me around 100 something. I think 180 bucks, around 40, 120. $120 USD just to replace that. You see, for comparison purpose, it's not cheap, and it's not very expensive. It's still acceptable price, but when I compare with the clutch plate replacement, this one costs a lot. Okay, 120. The whole clutch system that I replace. Look, please watch the previous video, and you will see that a whole work to replace the clutch. Okay, a whole day. It cost me 350. Okay, 350, my friend. Okay, compared to this, wow, this cost 1/3 of that. Just, you see, like a half an hour, 1 hour work. Unbelievable. But yeah, it works here, you know. It works like that. Very expensive cost. Okay, this one, okay, still expensive, 35, 40. This one, 80 bucks. And not new, it's still an old one. So it's expensive compared, particularly to the clutch plate replacement. My God, it costs 1/3 of that clutch plate replacement. Okay, half of 1 hour compared to a full day, 12 hours. Unbelievable. 4 guys working on my clutch plate replacement with small other stuff, of course. This one only one person do it. But half an hour to 1 hour max, and it cost me 1/3. Unbelievable, unbelievable. And I cannot believe it, but here it works like that, my friend. It works like that. The most expensive work, it came out, it's the cheapest one. Unbelievable.